if you now have just one day before you enter the hall to write your JAMB exam, you have been preparing for JAMB, you registered for JAMB, you have been reading, you have been following everything we have been saying on this channel, and now it is just one day remaining. What are you supposed to do? This final last day is so important because the way you handle the one day, the last day before you jump into the JAMB hall matters a lot, because it will determine whether all these other months or weeks, some of you went to lesson, some of you have been on this channel learning all the things we have been saying. Some of you even borrowed money to register for JAMB and all the rest. So this last day, this one day remaining, is so very, very important, and I just want to guide you on what you should do for that day. Number one thing I expect you to do on the last day of your JAMB exam is to finalize your revisions, right? That last day is the day you have to calm down and finalize. Remember, I did not say read any new topic. I see people I'm making this video on, for some people it is the last day before they enter the exam hall, right? And people are still looking for past questions. People are still telling me to send them the syllables. People are still telling me to please give them past questions and syllables. What are you doing with syllables one day before your exam? What you should be focusing, it is expected that you have been reading all this while. You have been maybe hired a lesson tutor, you have been going for lesson, and you are now strong, right? You are now very, very strong. That means our focus right now should be finalizing. If not, you may cry. You may try to read up new topics, read up new topics here and there, but it may not help you, right? What you should do now is just 24 hours before you are inside the JAMB hall, solidify what you have been learning all this while. Focus on them. Get your past question. All those your 4 subjects, what have you learned with them? Get pen, get paper, sit yourself down somewhere and ask yourself, okay, in biology, what are the things I learned if I write in biology? In English, what are the things I learned? You just finalize your revision. Focus and do your last battle, your final revision. It will prevent you from any form of surprise. It will prevent you from crying in the exam. Are you getting me? So get your past question, okay? And in that revision, time yourself. Get past questions, solve it, time yourself, give yourself time, Don't waste time. Condition yourself as if you are already inside the exam hall. These are the things I am sure will help you, whether it is in your chemistry or government or literature, whether you are or biology, whether you are science student or art student. Finalize, get your past question and finalize your revision. Are you with me? Finalize your revision. And when you are finalizing, remember that you are not entering the JAMB hall. You are not entering the JAMB hall with your calculator. In fact, JAMB will not allow you to enter even with your wristwatch, even with your past question, even with your earrings for some centers, depending on how strict they are. They won't allow you to enter with anything. So the earlier you know this, the better. The earlier you know this, the better. Finalize your revision and get yourself ready. Okay? Now, if you have finalized your revision, the second thing I need you to do is go and be sure of your venue. Something crazy happened last year. Some people did not know their venue. So some people did not know how far the venue is. Before, some people that has the exam 6:30 in the morning were arriving by 8. Some people arrive by 7:30. Some people arrive 1 hour after the exam has started. So ask yourself, where is the venue? I encourage you, one day before your exam, go there and check out the venue. Some of you have never been there before. Go now. If you are watching this video now, travel, go now and check out the venue. It's very, very important. If your parents can drive you, they have a car, they can drive you, you can enter public transport, enter keke, just go and be sure. Be very sure that this is your venue. It will help you to know the particular time to leave. Also check out the traffic condition in that area. If you are in Lagos, some places that are very very heavy with traffic, check it out. Do you need to go and sleep somewhere? Maybe if you have money, you can lodge in a hotel. There is a hostel around, there is a neighbor around, or somewhere you can stay. If you have a morning paper, like let's say 6:30 paper or 7:30 paper or 8:30, ensure you arrive, you know your place and the time. And how do you know that? You know that from your JAMB exam slip. If you have not reprinted your exam slip, please let me know. If you have not reprinted your exam slip, let me know. And I need you to tell me in the comment section, tell me the particular day you have your exam. Is it 24th or 25th or 26th? Just tell me either Friday, Saturday, and the time for your paper. Drop the comment in the comment section, okay? So go now, don't delay. Except if it is somewhere you know already. If it is somewhere you already know, that you already know. But for some of you have never even been there, you have never gone to that place, especially most of you that registered late. Go and know. You must have printed the exam slip. If you have not printed the exam slip, I have done a video. Ask me so that I can send you the video. Or if you have been having issues with printing of your slip, let me know. Okay? Now, that having been said, the next thing I expect you to do a day before your exam is pray. I did a video of don't pray. Don't pray is you should not get into the exam hall and start praying. Once your computer, you and your computer, you have entered the hall, what you should focus on is writing. Focus on writing. But I encourage you, before you enter into the exam hall, right? Pray. Before you enter. So I expect that you spend some time in the night. That night before the exam. Maybe you have exam on 24th. On the night of 23rd, spend some time. See, prayer works. Whether you're a Christian, whether you're a Muslim, no matter your religion, I believe in prayer. Do you believe in prayer? And do you want me to make a video, a prayer video, where I will verses you can read, Bible verses you can read, and all the rest? Do you want me to do that? Tell me in the comment section. So prayer works. Spend the night, spend 30 minutes, 1 hour, praise God, commit your exam into the hand of God. Some people have told you will never pass your exam. Some of you have written this exam. This may be the second time some of you are writing, or the third time. You have already become like a customer to JAMB. So spend some quality time to pray. Spend some quality time to pray. Then finally, one thing I encourage you to do is get all your necessary materials ready. Every material you need to go, your transport fare, place, if you're a female, you have a handbag, place everything you need, your pencil. You can also go with a white sheet of a plain sheet, especially this one they're typed with plain paper, plain sheet. You can go with it so that you show them there's nothing written on it. You can use it to finalize your calculation and all the rest. These are the things I believe you need to know about your exam. Now, tell me the date they'll place you on your exam and the exact time in the comment section. If there is any way you still need my help, you need me to give you all the videos we've done on these subjects: chemistry, physics, biology, government, use of English, Lekki Headmaster, any of them you want me to give you all the videos we've done on them, just type under the comment section and I could give them, all of them, to you. If you have not become a full member of our YouTube channel, let me know so that I can send you the link for you to become a full member. If you're a full member, you can be able to talk with me directly, chat me up on WhatsApp and all the rest. And go ahead, share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe immediately. When you subscribe, let me know under the comment section.